Carson's video
About?
trains. So, we're going to tell you all the trains' names and all the freight cars' names. And we can tell you the wooden names. And then we're taking a train and I'm going to put some of the freight cars on it. And then I'll show you how it's going to go on the tracks.
Okay, great. Connor, I'm going to hand you the video camera now so you can do the video.
Okay. Here is Thomas. Here's Flora, Gordon, Scarloey, Peter Sam, Diesel 10, Whiff, Diesel, James, Spencer, Old Thomas, Bert, Charlie, Ari, Bash, Thomas again. Now here we go to start with the freight cars. I got a lot of names. Here is Colleen, Dusty, Green Caboose, Haystacker, Food freight car, Adventure freight car, Shiny passenger freight car, Spinning coal freight car, Blue car, Red car, Orange paint car, Rusty Rust, Blue car, Giant blue carrier car, Moving car, and the sound car. It moves, makes sounds. And Scarloey's passenger car, and a yellow car, and a blue car, green car, box carrier, red coach, green work truck coach, ice cream car, caboose, orange car, rusty old car, shiny car with stairs, blue car. Now it's time for wood trains. Okay, here's part of breakdown train. I can't find the other part yet. And here's Rusty Laugher. Here's Hector, Davis, and Dennis. Giggling freight car. He doesn't work. Thomas. Gordon doesn't work anymore. Used to light up and talk. Thomas again. Oldest freight car ever. Another Thomas. Birdie. Kelly. Alfie, Jack, Flora. That's all the trains. Bye-bye.